Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the basics ready. Power on the LED TV and make sure the remote works. Next, connect the TV to your home Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet. This ensures app downloads and streaming. Once done, check for a system software update and install it. Modern apps require current firmware. Make sure you know the network name and password because you'll enter them on screen. These steps remove connection hiccups before you install or open YouTube. Now you'll get YouTube running. Go to the TV's App Store or Smart Hub and search for YouTube. Once you find it, choose Install or Update. Wait until the download and installation finish, because partial installs cause errors. After launching YouTube, sign in. You can use the on-screen activation code at YouTube.com/activate with your phone, or enter your email and password directly on the TV. Signing and sync subscriptions and history, so your profile behaves as expected. Finish by adjusting YouTube settings to match your preferences. Choose default video quality, enable captions if needed, and toggle autoplay. If playback stutters or the app freezes, restart the TV first, then test internet speed. Streaming needs decent bandwidth. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. That clears corrupt data. As a final tip, use wired Ethernet for more reliable streaming. This resolves most connectivity issues quickly and prevents buffering during higher quality playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.